Hello, everybody out there. Here we go once again. Steel City Storm, and I am over here at the Dorie Miller. They are tearing it down, like a lot of other places out here in Gary, as you can see behind me in here. A couple of the guys that are doing a tear down got a hold of me and on one of my other videos, and they actually watched the channel. Said, "Hey man, come check it out. We're tearing it down." So, you know, the tear down. Let's get it. Out here on the east side of Broadway and the west of Lake Station, and we're over here at the Dorie Miller Projects. As you can see, the area has pretty much been abandoned, all the way down to the school over here and a couple churches, and a lot of people have been watching the videos and really interested in seeing what's going on. My mom actually stayed in these apartments for a little, well, they're like apartments, condo apartments. And it's got a lot of history to it. Well, now it's coming down, and we'll see how much we can see over here. Like I said, the guys contacted me through another video, told me to come out here and check it out. So, see how far I can get and see how much we can see without getting in anybody's way. Look at that. I had to stop and talk to the guy over there. I didn't want to just walk in. I want to make sure I got permission to kind of check it out. Hopefully this is the gentleman that owns the channel. Find out in a minute. I really just want to see them tearing it down. I don't need to walk through the whole thing, but Pretty crazy. They're knocking it down fast. They are knocking that down quick, fast, and in a hurry. My mom used to always say that to me. Do it quick, fast, and in a hurry. Sad situation, man. I wanted to get a last shot of this building before it's all torn down. No, that was custom made. I know a lot of people have a lot of stories. Please, I encourage you, share them. That's why I do what I do. Dorie Miller. The sign is hanging there. The doors are open now. No. Get a picture of that. Pretty trippy seeing it. It really is. Oh, it's the meter. Let's go meter box. There, I seen him.